What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be installing this OEM fire extinguisher on my F80 M3 today. But I want to thank you guys for clicking on this video. Make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and now let's get into this video. We got the mascots on the channel. Aston. Can't forget about Kona. Alright, so as you guys saw from the unboxing video, this is a OEM fire extinguisher that BMW uses. The brand is Jockle and Gloria. And as you guys can see here, we have the mounting bracket that's going to go under my passenger side seat. You can also put this under your driver's side seat as well. But most people who run a fire extinguisher kit in their BMWs usually put it under the passenger side seat. So that's what we're going to do today in my car. And here's the brand we are working with today. It is OEM Extinguishers. I'll leave all their information down below. And they also have an Instagram, so I'll pop it up on the screen now. Make sure you guys hit them up if you guys need this for your car, whether it's just to have for peace of mind or for all my track people out there. If you guys go to the track often, you guys definitely know somebody or have seen on Instagram cars catching fire at the track. So again, having one of these is just having peace of mind, you know, whether you're going about your day to day and God forbid you get into an accident, or you're running at the track all the time, your car is getting hot. Something could happen to your car or something could happen to somebody that you know. So having one of these in the car is that extra preventative safety. So this is definitely more, you know, form and function and very practical just in case of an emergency. But this is what comes in the box. We got some candy. Wifey's gonna love that. We have the instruction guide. This is gonna be a level 1 out of 5 difficulty level, so anybody can do this. Again, make sure you guys give them a follow on Instagram, Facebook. They are a newer company based out of Texas, but huge shout out to the owner for sending this kit out. It also comes with some mounting hardware as well. Again, this is gonna be a super simple DIY. Anybody can do it in their garage. This mounting bracket is gonna go directly to these mounting points under the passenger side seat, and then after that is installed right here, that will allow us to strap in the fire extinguisher. Again, that looks so clean, super subtle, out of the way of your feet or your passenger's feet. I read on their website that these extinguishers are good for, you know, up to 10 years depending on the environment, but on average it's about 7.5 years. But after 5 years, you guys want to just check the pressure gauge right here and make sure it's still green. But obviously I'm going to check that every now and then. But as long as this is green, this extinguisher is correctly pressurized. So you guys want to check that from time to time. Kona, what do you think about that? What do you think about that? Alright, so the first thing that we're going to be doing is moving back my passenger side seat as far back as it can go. So right about there are the factory mounting points that we're going to be screwing in the bracket to. Obviously it's super hard for you guys to see right now, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to unbolt my chair from the bracket so I can actually tilt it back for you guys to see. It's going to be way easier for you guys to visualize it that way. But yeah, of course you're going to need a flashlight to do this job. But again, it is just 4 bolts at the end of the day, so it is very straightforward. You guys don't have to unbolt the seat like I'm about to do. So these seats are held in by 4 T50 screws. Now with all 4 bolts unscrewed, you guys will see what happens to the chair. As we tilt it back, it's going to fall backwards. And now we have ample room to access the mounting points that we need to screw in the bracket. I forgot to mention before, all you need for this is a 10mm socket and ratchet. We're going to be screwing in these 10mm bolts into these 4 holes right there on both sides. And then where that goes to actually is right here, these top 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4 over there. And yeah, this should be pretty straightforward. Another cool thing too is since my interior is red, the red extinguisher is also going to match that, so that's going to look really nice. So the bracket actually fits into some of the grooves under the seat, so you kind of just have to feel around for it and hopefully you get it into the right screw hole. You guys aren't really going to be able to see this third one. It's behind the bracket. But once you find one hole, you'll find the other. That's what she said. But everything is going in super smooth so far. And I forgot to mention, there's actually a notch right here. So the fire extinguisher, when you insert it into the car or into the bracket, it can only go one way because this notch actually goes to a notch in the fire extinguisher, which I'll show you before we put it in. And then last but not least, we have this 4th one right here. And you obviously don't want to over tighten any of these bolts since we are tightening down on plastic, but you just want to make sure they're hand tight with probably another 1/4 turn just to ensure the bracket's not going anywhere, of course. But just like that, you guys can see I can move the whole chair now with the bracket. It's pretty secure. I'm gonna do a couple more tightens off camera, and then we can install the extinguisher onto this bracket. And one more thing I forgot to mention before we put this into the car is, in order to engage or operate this extinguisher in case of an emergency, there is a press 1 button right there and a press 2 lever right there. So in case of an emergency, all you have to do is press this inwards, which will allow you to disengage the extinguisher on whatever fire or emergency that you may need. So yeah, super simple.
We have to press 1, can't be that difficult, and then press 2.
Alright, we are back in the car right now, and I just wanted to show you guys again this little notch right here that I mentioned a little earlier. That is going to go to this hole right here on the front side of the handle. So again, right here's the handle, and then on the front side of that we have a little notch. So it's going to be pretty hard to misplace where the front of the extinguisher goes. So it's going to sit just like that, and then it basically just straps on like a little seat belt right here. Again, flap over, and then you pull this bottom side up and then pull it down, and then once you hear that snap, the extinguisher is in, as you guys can see right there, and it looks super good. Again, it's literally moving with the chair. It's super secure. So to show you guys that one more time, and yeah, that's all it is. The extinguisher is super secure. Once the chair is fully down, again, it's not even going to be in the way of anybody's feet and your passenger side. So it's super nice, super subtle, and yeah, in case of an emergency, amazing to have. Overall, really happy with the outcome of this product. Again, a fire extinguisher in your car is, again, something that you rather have when you need it than, you know, not have one when you do need it. So in case of an emergency, I now have the peace of mind that, you know, my car or maybe somebody else's car will be able to prevent a fire or something like that. So God forbid something does happen, now we are protected. So super happy with this. And again, this is definitely, I would say, catered towards more track people, because more accidents like that, more fires happen, more cars burning down, you know, happen at the track where these cars are pushed to their limits. So if you guys are track focused people, I think this is definitely for you. They have these fire extinguishers for most BMW chassis, so make sure you guys check out their website and see if they have one for your car. And if you guys have any questions or you don't see your car listed, make sure you guys email them or hit them up on Instagram. I'm sure they'll be able to work something out for you guys. But this was an absolutely easy DIY. Any of you guys can do this yourself. Overall, I think if you weren't recording a YouTube video like your boy, I think this would take about, you know, 10 minutes or so. The longest part would be finding that first thread for the bracket to the seat, but once you get that one, the rest come easy. But yeah, super easy one. All we have left to do now is bolt back the seat and call it a day. And just like that, we are all buttoned up, and it looks so clean. Again, the red on red on red. Everywhere you look is red, so it even blends in with my interior even more so. And again, it's so subtle, so clean, and now your boy is protected. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it's a quick one, but again, huge shout out to OEM Extinguishers. Make sure you guys check them out on Facebook, Instagram, and DM them if you guys have any questions or inquiries about getting an extinguisher for your car. I know they have it for most BMW models. Just shoot them a message and they'll be able to help you out. Always happy to be working with cool companies, especially up and coming companies, so I really appreciate it. But as always, make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below what you guys think, hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram for more content, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care, peace.